Hello, children. Before beginning with a new chapter of grammar, let's play a game or have an activity. Try to fill up these sentences with the words given above in the bracket. Yes, by now I think you have guessed the answers. The dog is in the doghouse, the bird is on the roof, the butterflies are flying over the pond, the duck swimming in the pond, the fish that live in the pond, the frog is hiding behind the stone, the duck is near the fish. So now can you guess what are we going to learn today? The words that you filled in. What are these words? I'm damn sure some of you have surely guessed what are these. Yes, these are prepositions. So we're going to learn prepositions today and the kinds. Before seeing what are the kinds, I'll tell you what is prepositions. Preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain the relationship of a sequence, space, and a logic between the object of a sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us to understand order, time, connections, and also the positions. Here are the three kinds of preposition: place, preposition of direction, and preposition of time. Preposition of place is also known as preposition of position. So let's begin with preposition of position or place. To refer to a particular place, we use the prepositions in, at, on. Now this in and on, they are touched to the surface, maybe on the ground, floor, chair, whatever they are, touched to the floor surface, and inside something contained. Here are a few examples. They will meet in the lunchroom which is you know enclosed from four sides. He was sitting at the corner. He left his phone on the bed, placed the pen inside the drawer. Here inside it is enclosed. So preposition of place tell us where the people or things are, but shows some preposition of places as I mentioned. They are like in, on, at, even under, over, above, near, between, among, across, and beside. Let us see the use of in or at. When do we use in or when do we use at? Confused. Like we sometimes we say in Mumbai or at Mumbai or in theater or at the theater. Let us see. Use preposition in with the cities, regions, states, and countries. Example: in Mumbai, in Karnataka, in Nepal, in Dubai, in USA. Okay, now when to use at? We use preposition at with places in a town, city, or other communities. Like I am at the mall, I am at the theater, I am at the metro station. Then now if you have to frame the sentence, like maybe you are at the mall, but where? Which mall? Okay, I am at the mall in Mumbai. So here you are showing the place in a city, in a Mumbai city, that is the mall. So we are using at and we are using city, Mumbai. So we use in Mumbai. So we have got it, the use of in and let us see the difference between and among. We use between to refer to two things that between two things that are or have been separated. Like there is peace between two countries. We refer two things at a time. Or I'll give you one more example. The table is between two chairs. Or Amar is sitting between Amit and Chirag. So they are talking about the two people and showing the position of the third one. So that time we use between. And among is used to refer to things that are a part of a group. Like there are many children among the volunteers. or I kept my pen among the books. Like there were many books and my book pen is there. That time you cannot say between because there are many books. Here also there are many children among the volunteers. So there are many volunteers and there are children also. So there are many children among the volunteers. When you have to distribute something, distribute these chocolates. When you have to refer the whole class, so distribute these chocolates among the children, among the students, or you have to give only to the two children. Distribute these chocolates between Amar and Chirag. That time we will use between. I hope you are clear with this use of between and among. Here is the pictorial representation of preposition of position, which will help you to understand how these prepositions are when we say in it is in, when it is on, below, above, near, around, among, opposite, out of, and so on. I hope preposition of position is quite clear to you. In next video, we'll meet with preposition of direction and time. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.